Hi, beauties and cuties. You are welcome. It's your girl Brani once again. Well, today we are going to look at how to prepare non-roasted beef stew. Who told you you cannot cook your beef when it is not roasted? Guys, just join Fun Cooking. You will learn how to do this. Well, guys, we're gonna need curry powder. We are going to use wheat flour, ginger powder, black pepper, soy sauce, salt, beef itself, beef, garden eggs, oatmeal, onions, eggplant, carrots, garlic, and green pepper, and then tomatoes. Let us start cutting our ingredients. We start cutting our ingredients. Well, guys, this is half a kilogram of beef. It is half, and this is the fat which I am going to use to cook. We light up our gas, put on the saucepan, immediately put in the beef. We are going to cover it up. It will produce water until when it dries up by itself. We first boil the beef alone until when it dries up, until when that water it produces dries up. We keep checking on our boiling beef. You see the water that I'm talking about. Well guys, we open our beef. As you can see, it is dry, completely dry. At this point, we put in bring the fat, put in guys, let it melt together with the beef, fry, mix it up as it melts. You can see it has even started turning golden brown. At this point, we can put in our ingredients. Bring the onions first. Mix. See that, guys. See that color. The goldish. Mix. Cover a bit before we put in the rest of the ingredients. We can now put in the rest. You see the onions have also a bit turned color. We can now put in the rest of the ingredients. Bring our green pepper. Pour in the garlic together with carrots and tomatoes. Put in our oatmeal. Guys, bring our eggplant together with the garden egg. Mix. At this point, I'm going to put in a little small water to enable our cooking. A little small water. Such that our ingredients can melt properly. Some small water. So we cover such that they can become a bit softer. Cover up. At this point, guys, we put in a pinch of the curry powder to allow our ingredients to become softer. Put in a pinch of the wheat flour to enable the beef sauce be a bit heavy. Measure salt. Mix. See guys, see that guys. We can now put in a pinch of black pepper. And a small pinch of ginger powder. And guys, we put in soy sauce. Pouring some soy sauce. Mix. The aroma is just killing me already, guys. At this point, guys, we pour in water to make our soup. Pouring water. So I'm going to cover and cook this beef for a period of 30 to 45 minutes. I'm very sure it will be ready. Wow, guys, our beef stew is ready. As you can see, the water reduced. Well, guys, it's time to taste our beef. Let me get a piece and taste. On your behalf. Then after, I will enjoy it with my food, guys. The best moment has come, guys. I'm going to first taste the soup. Try it out, you tell me. Well, our beef. Very soft, very tasty, very yummy, very on point. Guys, do not forget to always like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you, guys. I love you. Bye bye.